Hey guys, we're at the Atlanta Botanical Gardens to see the Thomas Dabo exhibit.
Today's the last day.
Today's the last day. I've been trying to wait till it got cooler, and then I realized today's the last day. We're running out of time. So we're about to see some trolls.
Guess what else is today? We found about
the Midtown Music Festival.
So there's people everywhere in Atlanta today.
We're in the middle of a mess.
Yeah.
But we're gonna see some trolls. And if you're wondering what that is, I had a skin cancer burn last week, so wear your sunscreen.
Yep.
Let's go see some trolls.
All right. Hi, we're at the Atlanta Botanical Gardens. We made a trip up here from Warner Robins to see the trolls that are up here. They are sculpted by Thomas Dabo from Denmark, I believe. And if I remember right, they're to bring awareness to nature and try to lure people back out to nature. And this is sort of a miniature version of some of this giant ones. They're like 30 feet tall. I don't know if there's any that big in here, but we're gonna go in here and find out. And these trolls, the big ones, they're all over the world, especially in Denmark where he's from. There's a really cool one down in in Puerto Rico. The original one was wiped out by Hurricane Maria, and it was holding a stone in its hand sitting on the edge of the water. Well, the new one is actually holding a lantern that's run by solar power, and it helps ships come in.
And we're gonna go see it. JJ just doesn't know it yet.
That's what she thinks. So. But yeah, there's one in Florida up in the Swanee River area that was there for a festival, and I think it's still there. And then various places out throughout the world, America. So.
And I really hated it because I wanted to bring the grandkids to see the trolls, but we just realized today's the last day, and they had a lot of other things going on. So maybe we can take them to see some.
We are seeing one in Florida. So
yeah.
If it stays
all right.
there.
Let's go check out these trolls.
All right.
Chandelier of the Atlanta Botanical Gardens. It's beautiful.
Right out the door, coming in, there's a troll greeting us.
We are coming up on another troll. This is troll number 2. And it's building birdhouses.
He's got a bag full of birdhouses.
Wow. He does. He likes to build birdhouses to have birds out in nature. Look at all the birdhouses he's built. Very cool. What was his name?
Ibby Pip? Ibby Pip? Who are you looking at?
Bassy Boy. I think he's troll number 3. He's a wild child. We got 4 grands that are wild.
Yeah.
But Bassy likes to play in the mud and build things with rocks and draw you to nature. You see his rocks, JJ?
Look at that. He's been playing with rocks out here. Very cool.
We're on a suspended bridge. Walks out across there. And this is number 3. He looks like he's looking at us. Bassy Buller, playing with his mud and rocks. Some more of the bridge. What you see, JJ? Enjoying some nature in the middle of downtown Atlanta.
Is this your kind of treetop canopy?
Yeah.
Going through a tunnel. Wow, look what we found, Dee. Another troll.
Hey JJ, which troll is this?
This is Rosa Sunfinger. She's number 4 on our list. And she likes to take care of plants. She has magic fingers that make them grow and stuff. And she likes to take objects and recycle them, like this Smart for 2 cars, now a flower pot. Really cool concept.
She's pretty cool. Way to go, Rosa.
Good job.
We might could do that with the 97 Wrangler.
Well, no, not yet. We're not. Did you find a troll?
I found a troll.
All right.
It's troll number 5. It's Sophus Lotus.
Sophus Lotus.
And he's not asleep, he's listening. He's a great listener to see what's going on with nature.
Oh, got his ear to the ground.
Yeah.
If you ever wonder what a troll's butt looks like, here you go. This is Kama Can. She likes to teach humans about using recycled things, not throwing things away and repurposing them. Look at all this stuff. Tupperware bowl. I see a snorkel and a spray bottle, lunch boxes, kids' toys, phone cases, a little bit of everything. Very cool. Thank you, Kama.
Tools, we enjoy the trolls. Thank you for the stay above, Dambo.
Yep, very cool idea.
How about this tulip popular? Poplar. No, we got that Middle Georgia slang. Beautiful tree.
Look at this pedestrian bridge overhead. It's really cool. But then look at the view ahead. Looks like, what's the lady from Moana? On the island.
JJ's gonna build this in the backyard.
I don't think I can build that. Beautiful. This shot's from up on the suspension bridge, overlooking the forest and stuff. You can see
The goddess of nature.
the goddess of nature.
Otherwise known as.
The heart, no, Rafiki. Rafiki from Moana.
We'll get it right.
Yeah, it's really cool. Found this babbling brook thing coming out of something looks like a well with a back lift. It's really cool. We're on the Overlook Bridge, walkway, and they got a stream that flows down. And I think there's some Arthur Blank pool or something down the end of this. That's where we're heading. Water mirror. That bridge out there. I don't see no troll under that bridge. You see a troll under that bridge? Darn. Learning more about the tulip poplar than we ever knew. The tulip poplar flowers are great pollinators, are great for pollinators, and they host the eastern tiger swallowtail butterfly.
How big that tree is, JJ?
That is a monster. They lay eggs in the flowers. Let's zoom out a little bit here. It is a big tree. Whoa, Nelly. Wow, pretty. Isn't that really cool? Very pretty. I think it's glass. We don't know what it's called, if it's got a name. But we think this is the Arthur Blank reflecting pool.
This is the other side of it.
Hey, we're eating at the Longleaf restaurant inside Atlanta Botanical Gardens and fixing to show you our appetizer. We have summer cornbread with peach butter. So this ought to be good. This is our Filipino chicken to go along with our cornbread. Yeah, we already ate one cornbread. It was very good with the peach butter. So let's dig in. The wings were really good. They said Filipino chicken, but it turned out to be wings, I guess, cooked Filipino style. And there are a bunch of salsa, basically, or pico. And, some of them were spicy, some of them not so much, but very
it's
good.
Too hot for me.
Goblins come out.
That's where the trolls live.
Oh, they're too big. That's a little goblins, the mean ones.
Off the beaten path.
See the backside of water? Ooh, backside of water. Love this thing on the wall. Prince Levine and Tiana. She's saying, look what a fine mess you got us into. Except with a better New Orleans accent than mine. Alright. Is this your grotto? Wow. Backside of water and some frogs. Yep, Tiana and Prince Levine again. Look, got leaves, plants growing out of her mouth.
JJ says you have to grow old, but you don't have to grow up.
Do it while you still can.
Found this cool little garden. It's got a walkway. Cool little water feature. Goes off into there. Yeah. It's a really cool day today. It's about 79 degrees. It's a frog of grottos. A grotto full of frogs. JJ, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, I'm sitting here with Mr. Toad reading to his little son about the time that Kermit left the swamp.
Kermit left the swamp.
Moved off to the city and met Miss Piggy.
He's always chasing a pig.
Yep, I was chasing a pig. Going in the Japanese garden area. Very pretty. Let's see how supportive that is. Alright. Where we headed, Dave? Yeah. What do you call these things? Oh, cool. We'll see some amphibians. This is the tropical rotunda. Little curlicues. It's pretty in here. That was the tropical jungle thing we were in. Now we're going to the Fakwa Orchid Center.
conservation tropical house.
Pitcher plants. Little exhibit over here is pretty. These are all pitcher plants of different kinds, growing everywhere. It's like a bog.